The Congress party is all set to launch a nationwide campaign with three major demands that could change the political and social landscape of India. This decision was taken after two rounds of meetings by the OBC Advisory Council of the AICC in Bengaluru, led by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. The first big demand is for a national caste census. Congress wants the Census Commission of India to conduct a detailed caste census covering the social, economic, educational, employment, and political conditions of every individual and caste. They even pointed to the Telangana caste survey as a good example of how this can be done. The second demand is to remove the 50% cap on reservations. Congress says this cap stops many backward communities from getting fair opportunities in education, jobs, politics, and other sectors. They want this limit removed so that suitable reservation can be provided to every deserving section of the society. The third demand is for reservations in private educational institutions. As per Article 15(5) of the Constitution, Congress is pushing for OBCs to get reservation benefits even in private colleges and universities. After announcing these resolutions, the leaders issued the Bengaluru Declaration, thanking Rahul Gandhi for leading the fight for social justice. They said it was because of Rahul Gandhi's strong stand that the government had to agree to the caste census demand. But Congress also made it clear that this is just the beginning. They promised to organize big events like the OBC Leadership Convention in Delhi on July 25, which will be attended by Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi. They will also conduct state-level workshops on OBC issues and work on building strong OBC leadership within the party. With this campaign, Congress is gearing up for a strong political push, promising to stand with backward communities and fight for their rights on every platform.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.